Hello, yesterday we sorted by color. Today we're going to sort by shapes. 112.2, which is 693 to 696. All right? We always start by writing our name. You guys are so good at this. Always write your name. Then we know whose paper it is. It says to sort by a shape. So I'm going to let you figure out what shape I am sorting by. One more shape. Now remember, you have the yellow and pink shapes from your week packet, 2 packet, that you should be able to sort by shapes. All right? So if you look at mine, I sorted by triangles and not triangles. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sort them, which I've done. Now I'm going to trace to show I sorted by triangles. And not triangles. Once you've traced it, you can pull it down. And if you notice, I left my triangles up there. And I'm now going to be leaving my shapes that are not triangles. And I had a rectangle and 2 squares. I sorted by triangles. Do you have to sort by triangles? Nope. You can sort by hexagons or circles. You can choose squares or rectangles. It is your choice. Just know you have the shapes to be able to trace when you're using your pink and yellow classifying shapes that are in your bag from week 2. All right? I sorted by triangles, and these are my shapes that are not triangles. Now, just like in 12.1, on 12.2, this time we're going to go, instead of colors, by shapes. So the first word says circle. So how many circles do we have up on top? Look at it. You can go ahead and use your crayons if you want, or you can just write it in pencil. Either way is good. I see 1 blue circle. So I drew my circle. How many squares? I see, let's say I see a yellow square. Oh, that's all the squares I see. Triangle. I see a green triangle. I see a red triangle. Do you see any more triangles? Okay, and the last shape is rectangles. And I'm going to draw a red rectangle, another red rectangle, and the blue rectangle. All right. Do you need to draw the shapes? Yes, you need to draw the shapes because we're sorting by shapes. So we want to know what shape goes where. The first one is circle, square, triangle, rectangle. And if you have a hard time reading that, I bet mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or big sister or big brother could help you, okay? Page 695, we're going to write our name. And just like we did yesterday with the colors, we counted how many, right? So we're going to look at the circles. How many circles are there? Good, there's 1, so we're going to write a 1. How many squares are there? 1. We're going to write a 1 where it says square. Triangle. 1, 2, so we're going to write a 2. Rectangles. 1, 2, 3. We're looking for the shapes that have just 1 in it. So a circle has 1. So we're going to circle the word circle, and we're going to circle the squares. How many shapes were we looking for? 1. So we're going to write the number 1. Does this feel like yesterday's work? Sure does, only this time it's shapes and not colors. Number 2. Are the numbers still the same? They are. The numbers will not change from 694. They're going to be the same. So circles had 1. Squares had 1. Good job. Triangles, 2. Thank you for telling me. And rectangles has how many rectangles? There are 3. Now, we're looking for a shape that only had 2. Which shape only had 2? You got it? Good. What is it? Triangle. Good. So we're going to circle the triangle and write the number 2. Good job. Now, have our numbers changed again? Nope. Our shapes still have the same amount. We didn't draw anything else, so circles is 1. Squares are 1. Triangle, good, 2. And rectangles, 3. On number 4, what's our magic number this time? 3. Which shape has 3? It is the rectangle, so you're going to circle the rectangle and write the number 3. How you feeling? Feeling pretty confident? Good job. All right, now, yesterday, Ava sorted her shapes. Today, it's Brandon. So let's look at number 5, and how did Brandon sort? Did you sort by hexagons? Nope, no hexagons. Did you sort by circles? No, those aren't circles. There's a circle, but it's in the not area. Squares, I heard squares. You're right. He's sorted by squares and not squares. So let's look at our squares. We need to draw one more square. Can you use your crayons? Definitely you may use your crayons. I'm going to draw me one more square. And I can, again, color it green because I have my green marker. And I'm going to draw one shape that is not a square on the other side. Good job. Number 6, you're going to look at your shapes. You're going to pick how to sort. Put what you want to sort on this side and everything else on this side, right? You wanted to draw a sort by circles. Put circles here, everything else here. You want to sort by squares? Put squares here, everything else here. You have your pink and yellow shapes to go ahead and sort. Pick how you want to sort by which shape, not size, not color, just shape, and everything else goes here. If you could do 3 or 4 in each area is all you need. Okay, do you guys have anything else to look at? Remember, you can always go back and listen again or have mom and dad help you. And we would love to see pictures of the work, knowing that they are understanding what we are asking them to do. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye-bye.